Have you ever wondered about the best place to deploy your AI models? Whether you're crafting algorithms in a startup or optimizing models in a large enterprise, understanding where to deploy these workloads is crucial. I'm going to run through a few options today, which are VMs, notebooks, Cloud Run, Vertex AI, and Kubernetes. And yeah, there are other options, but these are the ones that we see being used most often. So let's dive into virtual machines first. So think about this. Have you ever needed the bespoke power of a VM for your AI project? VMs give you that full control and customization. They offer you the freedom to customize your environment to your heart's content. Maybe you need to ramp up the processing power or require a very specific operating system, in which case VMs are your go-to. They're brilliant for heavy-duty tasks like training complex models. But here's the deal, they demand your attention, so think maintenance, updates, and keeping an eye on your resource usage. It's all about finding that balance between power and management. Next up are notebooks. These are the playgrounds for data scientists and AI enthusiasts. And platforms like Jupyter provide an interactive environment which is ideal for experimenting with data, running simulations, and then sharing your results with your colleagues. It's a space where your ideas take shape visually and collaboratively as you work down the page. However, notebooks are generally more suited for development and testing phases rather than for deploying models in production environments. Now onto Cloud Run. If you're after simplicity and scalability for lightweight AI applications, Cloud Run is your answer. It's all about serverless execution, there's no infrastructure headaches, it's just smooth sailing. It adjusts resources based on traffic, making it efficient and cost effective. But remember, it's more suited for applications that don't demand intensive computational power, and it can get a bit unwieldy when you have many Cloud Run instances. So let's talk about Vertex AI. This is where Google's really bringing its A game to machine learning. Vertex AI is a Swiss Army knife for your ML projects, providing tools for every step from data prep all the way through to model deployment. It's all about efficiency and integration, streamlining your ML workflow with access to advanced tools. It's like upgrading to a bit of a high-tech lab. But it does require familiarity with Google Cloud's ecosystem. It's really easy to test ideas there, fine-tune models and put models into production. So it's great for those POCs and getting started. However, you don't get control of costs other than machine sizes, so beware that if you have a sudden influx of traffic, it won't auto-scale. You don't get the auto-scaling rules or deployment options you'd get with something like Kubernetes. Now, if you're using Vertex AI to streamline your AI workflows, we're curious about how you're integrating it into your projects. So let us know in the comments. We want to hear from you. And then there's Kubernetes. So this is the powerhouse for managing containerized AI applications at scale, or any application at scale. Kubernetes is the orchestrator. It's ideal for demanding, scalable, and distributed AI applications. It brings that robustness to your deployment, but be prepared for a steep learning curve. It's all about mastering containerization and Kubernetes orchestration. But once it's set up with a good CI/CD process, it's pretty easy to run with. One of the biggest advantages of Kubernetes is you also get control of your costs. You get to select machine sizes, set rules about when to scale, plus you get all of the fault tolerance and deployment features that Kubernetes offers. So let me take a moment to mention that if you're having problems with your cloud infrastructure for your ML workloads, or if you're aiming to save on your cloud costs or looking to move to the cloud, then head on over to firney.com/review to get a free review of your cloud setup to see if we can help you optimize your cloud services for your ML workloads. So choosing the right platform for your AI workloads is like picking the right tool for a job. Each option has its own strengths. VMs offer control and customization, notebooks are great for R&D, Cloud Run brings ease for lighter workloads, Vertex AI streamlines the ML process, and Kubernetes excels in managing those complex applications at scale with predictability. And your choice depends on the nature of your workload, scalability requirements, and the expertise of your team. So which one aligns best with your project requirements and why? Really interested to hear your perspectives, so please share them in the comments. Remember that picking where to run your AI workloads is a critical decision. It shapes how effectively you can develop, deploy, and scale your AI and ML projects. So thanks for tuning in today. Until next time, see you soon.